The North County Disc Golf Course is easy to find in Castle Rock, Washington. From I-5, take exit 49 and head west into the downtown area. I like taking this route because I get to check out the beautiful downtown Castle Rock area. There are always some fresh flowers or trees in bloom with a great group of volunteers that keep everything looking good. I always head down the one way and stop in for some ice cream, coffee, and probably a book or two at the Vault Books and Brew. Stop in and check out the awesome windowed vault door. Definitely well worth the trip. Going down Westside Highway, you're going to want to look for the boat launch sign to your right and turn into the North County Complex. During the spring and summer, the ball fields can get busy, so the overflow parking to the right can be used. I'm going to keep to the left and get to the main parking lot for disc golf. The pin for the first hole has been removed due to construction, so I start at the covered area, throwing across the gravel to the first hole. Since the second pin has also been removed, I use the first hole as the pin for hole 2. Hole 3 can be seen between hole 1 and hole 2, just to the top, as we swing around to hole 2. The pin for 3 is just next to hole 2, throwing across a wide field, and then you'll find pin 4 and hole 4 across another field. You'll want to look toward the river for pin 5, where you're going to see hole 5 lined up with that, and down the walking path a little further you'll find pin 6, and then across the walking path hole 6. Watch out for the fields to the left. I've definitely thrown quite a few discs there. Once you get done with pin 6, you'll find pin 7 directly ahead, with throwing across the path again to hole 7. Down the hill, you're going to find the pin for hole 8, which then is an uphill throw to get to hole number 8. Just beyond hole number 8, you'll find pin number 9 and hole number 9, which is a little bit of a tricky uphill throw as well. Now let's get a little better view of the holes. Once you find hole 1, it's a pretty easy throw. Just be careful not to step on the shrubbery. Hole 2 can be found toward the river, over the gazebo that's currently being built. And a quick turn to the left, you'll find the pin for hole 3, and then hole 3 just beyond through a field. Just to the right is another pretty open throw. There's pin 4 going to hole 4. And continue toward the river and you'll find pin 5. And looking up the river, you're going to find hole 5. Be careful not to get too close to the river. Turning toward the river again, you're going to find the pin for 6. And looking across the path, you'll find the hole for 6 just beyond the softball field. From hole 6, you can easily find pin 7. And then a bit of a long throw that goes a little downhill on this one to get to the actual hole. It can get kind of windy here, so be careful not to get a disc in the water. Look for pin 8 just beyond the 7th hole, and turn to your left to find the hole for 8, which will be a bit of an uphill throw. Pin 9 will line you up with a frustrating shot, watching out for trees and a pole that's directly in the way. After you get done with your game, you can walk along the path here that will bring you back to the parking lot and the start of hole 1 again. While you're here, I would definitely recommend taking a look at the walking path that encircles the soccer fields as well as the baseball fields. There are workout stations dotted throughout the walking path that you can stop and get a little workout in while you're walking. To the right is a nice little boat launch with plenty of parking and some good scenery and great fishing. I hope you enjoyed the video tour of the North County Disc Golf Course in Castle Rock. I'll have more tours of local courses coming soon. In the meantime, enjoy the walking path at North County.